The way we look at white hair has completely changed. Let me show you the beauty of fringe blending. If you have clients coming in the salon every 4 to 6 weeks that are looking for a more low maintenance look, fringe blending is the perfect option. Retouch blending is going to give that clients that soft coverage at the root with a low maintenance touch-up. This application is very similar to our traditional root touch-up service. The only difference is our formulation. When it comes to formulating, instead of reaching for a permanent color, I want something that has a little bit more opaqueness to it. So instead, I'm going to reach for L'Oréal Professionnel Dia Color to give my clients enough coverage, however, respect the natural dimension that is left in their hair. When I'm formulating this color, I'm either reaching for a 6 volume, a 9 volume, or a 13 volume Dia Activator developer. What changes which developer I reach for is going to be my client's hair texture. So if I'm working with somebody with a finer hair texture, I'm going to reach for that 6 volume developer. However, if I have somebody with a little bit more of a coarser hair texture, I'm then going to reach for that 13 volume to get a little bit more coverage with my root color. If you have a client who has resistant gray and you're a little nervous to reach for an alkaline color, what I would recommend is doing L'Oréal Professionnel iNOA and 10 volume. This is going to give a little bit more coverage than your traditional alkaline color. However, iNOA and 10 volume is still going to give a soft and seamless result versus reaching for that 20 volume developer. The reason this works and the reason this gives your client a little bit more of a low maintenance color is because when their color grows out, you're not gonna have that harsh line of demarcation traditionally given to us by a permanent hair color. The Demi-Permanent color is going to softly fade as the client's hair naturally grows out, which is going to look much better in 4 to 6 weeks versus your traditional permanent color. Now, I went over developers. When it comes to finding the natural level, I'm going to formulate on level with my client's natural color. So if my client is a natural level 6, I'm going to reach for a 6N in Dia Color. The reason I'm doing this is because I want it to look as true to their natural color as possible. This is going to give my client the most soft and seamless grow out. So for your clients that are tired of seeing that harsh line of demarcation and constantly coming in the salon, Retouch Blending by L'Oréal Professionnel is the perfect option.